Hi, everyone. Welcome to our easy English listening and speaking practice for beginners. My name is Tom. Do you want to learn English from real life? Not books, not difficult words, just daily life. This is my day. Watch, listen, and learn English with me.
The alarm suddenly rings, and wow, it's loud. 6 o'clock already? Time really flies. The blanket feels warm, and the bed feels too comfortable. For a second, staying in bed sounds like a great idea. But no, today needs to start. Eyes open slowly, and the ceiling comes into view. A big stretch feels really good. Okay, I'm awake, comes out naturally. The clock on the wall doesn't lie. Morning light sneaks into the room. The body still feels sleepy, but the mind starts waking up. Sitting up helps a little. A deep breath makes things better. Another normal day begins. Hopefully today brings good things.
The bathroom light turns on, and there's that familiar face in the mirror. Hair is messy, no surprise there. A toothbrush waits patiently on the sink. Toothpaste goes on, maybe a bit too much. Brushing starts slowly, left and right. The minty taste wakes everything up. Rinsing the mouth feels refreshing. Cool water splashes on the face. That feels nice. The sleepiness slowly disappears. A towel dries the face gently. The mirror shows a more awake version now. Still not perfect, but much better. Mornings are always like this. Time to move on. Back in the bedroom, the closet door opens. So many clothes, yet nothing feels exciting. A simple t-shirt looks good enough. Jeans seem like a safe choice today. Comfort matters more than style. The t-shirt goes on easily. The jeans fit just right, thankfully. Socks come next, one at a time. Shoes wait near the door. Laces get tied carefully. A quick look in the mirror happens again. Not bad at all. Feeling comfortable helps confidence. Simple clothes, simple life. Ready for the next step.
The kitchen feels quiet in the morning. Opening the fridge brings cool air out. Eggs, bread, and milk say hello. Nothing fancy today, and that's okay. The pan heats up on the stove. Eggs crack open carefully. A soft cooking sound fills the room. Bread slides into the toaster. That smell? Always amazing. Milk gets poured into a glass. Everything comes together nicely. Food looks simple but good. The table is ready. Breakfast time feels peaceful. The stomach agrees completely.
Sitting down feels relaxing. The first bite tastes warm and nice. Crunchy bread makes a happy sound. Milk goes down smoothly. Eating slowly feels better than rushing. Morning silence is comforting. Thoughts wander to today's plans. Nothing too stressful, hopefully. Each bite brings more energy. The plate slowly becomes empty. Feeling full is satisfying. A small smile appears naturally. Breakfast really helps the mood. The day officially starts now. Time to move again. The phone lights up with a tap. Time comes first, always. Still early. Good news. A few messages are waiting. Some make sense, some don't. One message brings a small laugh. The weather app says sunny. Nice, no umbrella needed today. News headlines scroll by quickly. Nothing too exciting this morning. Scrolling stops before it goes too far. Too much phone can wait. The screen goes dark again. Real life is calling. Time to head out. Keys are easy to forget, so a double check helps. Phone? Yes. Wallet? Yes. Keys? Good. Shoes feel comfortable today. The door opens with a soft sound. Morning air feels fresh and clean. Stepping outside wakes the body up more. The door locks with a click. That sound feels safe. The street looks calm. A neighbor walks by and waves. A wave comes back naturally. The day officially begins now. Forward feels like the right direction. The sidewalk feels familiar under the feet. People pass by, all going somewhere. Some walk fast, some walk slowly. A bicycle zooms past quietly. Birds make small sounds in the trees. The sun feels gentle, not too hot. Shop doors begin to open. Someone sweeps in front of a store. Life is waking up little by little. Walking helps clear the mind. No rush feels nice. A deep breath happens naturally. The body feels relaxed. This moment feels simple and good. Steps continue forward. A small coffee shop appears ahead. That smell pulls attention instantly. The door opens and warm air comes out. The shop feels cozy and friendly. A short line moves slowly. The menu looks the same as always. When it's time to order, words come out easily. "One coffee, please." The staff smiles and nods. Payment happens quickly. Waiting feels short. A warm cup appears on the counter. Thank you feels natural to say. The cup feels good in the hands. Coffee time is here. A quiet spot outside feels perfect. The lid opens carefully. Steam rises from the cup. The first sip is always the best. Warmth spreads instantly. That taste never gets old. A slow sip feels better than a big one. People walk by, busy with life. Everyone seems to have somewhere to go. Standing still feels nice. Coffee brings comfort. Thoughts feel lighter. Another sip disappears. The cup slowly becomes empty. Energy levels rise again. The familiar road leads forward. Steps feel steady and confident. The building comes closer with each step. Today's tasks come to mind. Nothing too scary. A friendly face passes by. A simple hi goes back and forth. That feels nice. The entrance is right there now. A short pause happens. One deep breath helps.
Shoulders relax a little. The day continues inside. Time to focus. Let's do this. Later on, the body asks for a break. Sitting down feels really good. Shoulders drop naturally. Arms stretch slowly. A quiet sigh comes out. Water tastes great right now. The window shows blue sky outside. Trees move gently in the wind. Looking outside feels calming. The mind slows down. Breaks make a big difference. Just a few minutes helps a lot. A small smile appears again. Energy comes back slowly, ready to continue. Hunger shows up right on time. Lunch smells amazing today. The plate looks colorful and warm. Sitting down feels relaxing. The first bite tastes satisfying. Food always feels better when hungry. Chewing slowly helps enjoyment. Water washes everything down nicely. Noise around feels soft and normal. Thoughts drift casually. Morning feels far away already. Lunch brings new energy. The plate becomes empty again. Feeling full feels comfortable. Time moves on. The day slowly comes to an end. Tasks get checked off one by one. The desk looks cleaner now. The bag gets packed carefully. Standing up feels a bit stiff. A quick stretch helps. Goodbyes get exchanged. See you tomorrow sounds nice. The building feels quieter now. Stepping outside feels freeing. Work mode turns off. A relaxed feeling takes over. The hardest part is done. Evening time begins. Home sounds great right now. The street feels different in the evening. The sky changes colors slowly. The air feels cooler. Walking becomes slower and calmer. Footsteps sound softer now. The day plays back in the mind. Nothing big, just small moments. Those moments still matter. Home comes into view. Keys appear again. The door opens smoothly. Stepping inside feels comforting. Shoes come off immediately. Home feels safe. Finally, time to relax. Comfortable clothes replace the day's outfit. The sofa feels welcoming. A deep breath fills the lungs. The body finally rests. Music or TV plays softly. Nothing needs attention right now. Silence feels good too. The room feels peaceful. Lights are warm and gentle. Thoughts slow down naturally. The stress fades away. Evenings are for recharging. A quiet smile appears. Today was a good day. Rest feels deserved. Night arrives quietly. Lights get turned off one by one. The bed feels soft and warm. The blanket wraps around comfortably. The body feels tired in a good way. Thoughts drift slowly. Today feels complete. Nothing special, and that's okay. Breathing becomes slow and steady. The room stays quiet. Eyes close gently. Sleep comes naturally. Tomorrow will bring new moments. For now, rest is enough. Good night.
Learning English does not need to be hard. If you enjoy real-life English, please like and subscribe. Let's practice English together every day.